So it's been an absolutely beautiful weekend. We've had the weather and we've enjoyed ourselves down at the woodland, but we're just walking down to the river edge now. I'm gonna be trying out the new Sevylor three-man kayak that I got about a year ago, and shamefully, it's gonna be its first voyage. So we'll have a look at how it performs and so on, and if it's worthwhile actually taking it more often with me on the camps.
We've come to have some fun today because I've got this first time ever I'm going to put this kayak in the water. So we're having a fun weekend. While he's swimming there, I'm going to get the Savoy in and you can join me.
Capsized.
How's that? I'd say with the wind it's not very good. She's okay. Hey? Yeah? You have to keep the nose in the wind, otherwise you get dragged. It's still nice. Still a nice experience. This is the first time ever that I got this in the water, this kayak. And to be fair, it's not a bad kayak. I mean, as an inflatable goes, it's not too bad. But I think a canoe would be much better. I mean, space-wise, you know, it's not too bad. Took me about 10 minutes to inflate and get it in the water, and that's the first time I've ever done it, to be honest with you. So, not bad. And if we're going on trips where we're limited on gear, then it's okay to do that. If I was going to do this all the time, then I'll get a canoe, definitely. Do you want to have a row with me?
I might just watch, mate, and get dried off.
Alright, okay.
By the glorious sunshine that
That doesn't exist.
I've been waiting. that I've been drinking all day.
Oh, the wind just pushes it. It's way too light. And the wind just pushes it one way. So you don't have much control of it. To be quite honest, if there's something you want to get into, kayaking and canoeing and stuff like that, what I recommend is don't get an inflatable. You'll be disappointed. But if you just want it for a little bit of fun, then yeah, should be good. I mean, if you going wild camping and you want to access a little island or something like that, and the 3-man one is quite okay because obviously you're only paddling there and back. But to be quite honest with you, I think if there was a stronger current, there's no chance. I don't think this would work because I'm battling with the wind as it is. So every time I pedal, it's just all over the show. I mean, I could try going in the middle like that, like a canoe, and see if that helps, because I'll be paddling more towards the middle of the kayak. And yeah, it does. I mean, it's a bit better, but it's still not right. I mean, a little bit of wind and it's just sort of taking it sideways, if you can see what I mean. So I'm struggling to keep it straight. See? Just struggling to keep it straight. So I would say no. It's okay for a play around, but I wouldn't suggest. For full time, I don't think I'll suggest it. It is fun, and at least I'm getting a workout as well. And if there's no wind and no current, then it's not too bad. Just don't expect to go fast, because the minute you start paddling very fast, the front just does this, as you can tell because you're watching the footage. But I think I'll have to wait until I can afford a 4x4 and a decent canoe, because I love canoeing. I used to kayak quite a lot in Portugal and canoeing. I tell you what, if you saw the view there, you'd see the true nature. He's got all these bits hanging out. I mean, look at that. Can you believe it? All these bits and bobs hanging out. Oh my goodness. This is going to be an exciting video, this is. Challenge. And that wasn't too bad, now was it?